Sesame Street Alphabet Kitchen. Sesame Street Alphabet Kitchen.
Time. Choose one of us to play with. Great! Let's get started. First, Chef Elmo will spread out the dough. Great job, Chef. Now it's time to decorate. Elmo knows what you did there. Elmo loves that there are so many different toppings to choose from. Oh, do you want to add some more? Do you want to add some more? Okay, Chef, now here's the best part. Elmo can't wait to share our cookie yard. Hooray! Check out our cookie display. Tap the cookies to eat them yourself or drag them to share with Cookie Monster. Oh! Oh, thank you, Chef. Elmo thinks he'll share this one with his friend Zoe. Oh, this one looks great. Elmo's going to share it with his friend Cookie Monster.
Oh, thank you.
Good job sharing, Chef. Let's make some more. First, great! Let's get started. First, Chef Elmo will spread an A. In. E. E. Time to decorate. That looks yummy. Elmo loves that there are so many different toppings to choose from. Elmo thinks this cookie could use a silly face. Okay, Chef, now here's the best part. Elmo can't wait to share our cookie yard. Ta-da! Behold, our cookie creations! Tap the cookies to eat them yourself or drag them to share with Cookie Monster.
Whoa, this cookie Picasso.
Chef Elmo thinks this one looks really special. This you cookie is unbelievable. Elmo thinks he'll save it for later. Good job sharing, Chef. Let's make some more.